Thanks for joining us for another edition of Ask the PT a Question. This week's question comes from Joanna from Ambler. She wants to know, what's the best sleeping posture? There are different ways that everyone sleeps. Everyone has a certain comfort level. The best position to sleep in from an ergonomic standpoint or body mechanics standpoint is really on your side. Lying on your side, you want to make sure that your head is in a neutral position and your pelvis and low back is in a neutral position. But what does that really mean? If you pretend I'm laying on my left side, my head is right now in a neutral position. This is not neutral. This is not neutral. Neither is this. Neither is this. So from a head support standpoint, I want to lay on my left side and bring enough pillow up to my head so that I can maintain a relative neutral position with my head. Now, going down to the legs, I always tell people to consider putting a pillow or two between your knees. Women especially, because your pelvises are wider than men, the angle of your top leg coming down can put a lot of stress on the outside of your hip and also your lower back. So a pillow between the knees is always a good thing to consider. Depending on how wide your hips are, you may even consider a small towel roll between your hip and your torso. If you prefer lying on your back, that's fine, but with your legs straight out, there's a lot of extra strain on your lumbar spine or low back. When you choose to sleep on your back, make sure that you have enough pillows underneath your knees to decrease the stress on the front of your hips, hence taking pressure off your low back. If you like to sleep with multiple pillows, that's fine, but have it a gradual incline, almost like a wedge type position with your pillows, such that it's not just your head in an upright or in a forward position, again, getting away from that neutral position. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to send them in, and we'll look forward to seeing you at the next edition of Ask the PT a Question. Thanks for watching.